Hey everyone. I'm Bob, Nico's assistant. In this video, I want to show you a quick productivity tip within Cubase. People have been asking me how I can switch so fast between CC lanes in my editor window. First, display the lane that you want to see. Here, I will display CC25. Then, choose the height of the window. At the bottom of the screen, select Controller Lane Setup and then click on Add Preset. Give a name to your new preset and click OK. In your list of presets, count the position of your new preset. In this case, my new preset is at position 11. Now open your Key Commands menu. Inside, search for Controller Lane Setup. We will select Controller Lane Setup 11 as 11 was the position of the preset. Yeah, you better know how to count or this is going to be tricky. Assign it a new keyboard shortcut and then click OK. And that's all there is to it. Nothing else. You can now switch between lanes using keyboard shortcuts. Now, stop watching videos and go write some great music.